Have you considered text marketing? It's a powerful tool to connect with your audience. Many feel unsure how to start. This video explores text marketing expertise levels and strategies for success. Are you just starting? Text marketing can feel daunting. You may not know how to build a phone number list or send messages. Don't worry. We'll simplify it for you. Have you used texting before? You know basic features like keywords and campaigns. Perhaps you have a list of numbers. Now, let's elevate your strategy. Or maybe you're already an expert. Text marketing is vital for you. Your aim is to optimize your workflow and connect SimpleTexting with other apps. Regardless of your skill level, there's always more to learn. Assess your current standing and identify what you need to grow. In summary, whether you're a beginner, experienced, or an expert, text marketing is full of potential. Explore its benefits and learn how to maximize this channel. Ready to enhance your text marketing skills? Take the first step today and dive into our resources. Start engaging your audience like never before.